Our new generation of Equi-Trek horseboxes are designed for ultimate strength and performance. Always built on brand new chassis, the horseboxes are wood-free with aluminium flooring and composite panels. These are both lightweight and of superior strength to withstand high-impact blows, such as horses kicking out. Equi-Trek pioneered rear-facing travel and side-loading ramps to prioritise horse welfare. Several studies have shown that generally horses travel better with a lower heart rate, fewer impacts and fewer losses of balance when rear-facing. Most horses also travel better with a breast bar to offer them support and something to lean on during transit. The breast bar featured in Equi-Treks is designed to be collapsed in case of an emergency if the horse ever manages to get over it, and can easily be dropped from the exterior of the horsebox. Many horses don't load well with a split half ramp as there is too much for them to process all at once. Not only are they stepping onto the ramp, but they are also putting their head into the horsebox and moving straight inside. A low and inviting full ramp allows the horse to get all four hooves onto the ramp before going inside, breaking the process down. Safety doors either side of the ramp are important, and so is a heavy-duty, slip-resistant ramp with treads. Also, a lot of horses prefer a side-loading ramp, as the space they are being asked to go into is open and inviting. The ramp is always positioned on the driver's side so that there is space to unload horses in an emergency, even if there is no room at the edge of the road on the left. A lot of roads have obstacles on the left-hand side, such as barriers, hedges and ditches, which prevent the ramp from dropping. The ramp is positioned on the right so there is always space to unload horses safely.